Right, so we are in equation in number bases. We are given 111 base n is equals to 7 base 10. Find n. So the first stage is to convert all numbers to base 10. So this number is in base 10 already. So to base 10 is 0, 1, 2. We're going to say 1 multiplied by our base n. So this first one is raised to the power of 2 plus 1 times n to the power of 1 plus 1 times n raised to the power of 0 is equals to 7. 7 is in base 10, so we can write it like 7. So n to the power 1 times n to the power of 2, that's n squared, plus 1 times n, that's 1n or n, plus n number to the power of 0, n to the power of 0, that's 1. 1 times 1, we get 1 is equals to 7. So it's now n squared plus n plus 1, right, minus 7 is equals to 0. So n squared plus n, 1 minus 7, we get minus what? Minus 6 is equals to 0. So we're going to factorize the first and the last one. So we have n squared plus n minus 6 is equals to 0. So let's factorize. This is product and sum. We get n squared minus times minus 6, we get minus 6n squared. So 1 2 factors that if you multiply we get minus 6, then if you add we get 1, which is 1n. So we've got 1 and what? 1 and 6, 3 and what? 3 and 2. So we're going to use 3 and what? 3 and 2. So if we say minus 2 plus 3, we get 1. Then minus 2 times 3, we get minus 6. So these two factors, we're going to say, we're going to put our brackets here, and it's equals to 0. So n minus what? Minus 2. Then you have n plus what? Plus 3y. So this method is called trinomial method. So this trinomial method only applies when our equation or when our sum starts with what? With a letter, like this one, n squared, a squared, b squared. So it's n squared plus what? N minus 6. So we're going to use this trinomial method, which is a shorter method. So we're going to say n minus 2 is equals to 0, or n plus 3 is equals to 0. So n is equals to 0. Minus 2 to this side is plus 2. So n is equals to what? Is equals to plus 2. Then right here, n is equals to 0. 3 to the side is now minus 3. So n is equals to minus 3. Right? So we have another one right here. 120 base 3 is equals to 13 base n plus 10 base n. The first stage is to convert our numbers to base 10. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. So it's now 1 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1 multiplied by n raised to the power of 1 plus 3 times n raised to the power of 0, then plus 1 multiplied by n raised to the power of 1, then plus 0 multiplied by n raised to the power of 0. So we are converting our numbers to base 10. So 1 times 3 to the power of 2, you get 9, plus 3 to the power of 1, that's 3, times 2, you get 6, plus 0, any number, if multiplied by 0, we get what? 0 is equals to 1, n to the power of 1, that's n, 1 times n, that's n or 1n, plus n up to the power of 0, that's 0, 0 multiplied by 3, so n number to the power of 0 is 1, so 1 multiplied by 3, you get 3, plus 1 times n to the power of 1, n to the power of 1, that's n multiplied by 1, you get another n, plus n number, if multiplied by 0, you get 0. So let's group all like terms. 9 plus 3, that's 15, is equals to n plus n, that's 2n, plus what? Plus 3. Right here, let's continue to group our like terms. So 15 minus 3 is equals to 2n. 15 minus 3, we get 12. 12 is equals to 2n. We want to find n. We're going to divide both sides by 2 and by 2. 2 into 12, we get what? We get 6. So 6 is equals to n. So these numbers were in base what? Were in base 6.